Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go stop ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go stop ping on the notification. NEWLINKs, top vlogger. Big up NEWLINKs cause him a top vlogger. Vlogging it.
Bless up my viewers and subscribers. Big up in the cell, man. I don't know, so they attacking boss. They are NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. Some people right about now, my viewers and subscribers, I know so some local clip go send to the attacking boss. See? Yeah, man. And first of all, my people, I want to share one of them clip here with you know. See? And you see that clip, I go share it to you all now, my people. Yeah, what I go on now. I go share it, then I go now some explanation behind it, my people. Because all I can say, we have some youth people, them is a curse to Jamaica. Honestly, them is a destruction to Jamaica, my people. You know what I mean? Because why I say that, people? Them get chances and them waste it, and a lot of youth out there would love to get those chances. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. So just look on that look, piece of clippings of my people that was caught on camera, that was set in a house, my people, for catch a perpetrator over in the Cayman Islands. Some viewers and subscribers. So this footage I sent to my people. See, for one of my viewers, them and thing. You know what I mean? And the caption behind it was attacking boss. You know, say, this are over in the Cayman Islands. And me know that youth are good. See, I'm a place him come from a yard. And attacking boss, the thing is, you know, him and another youth go up there. You know what I mean? Cayman Islands, say. You know what I mean? Like family take them over. But from the youth, them go up there. A them thing of them are going with. A this of them are deal with. Them no one. A them a thing them depend. Because them say, them catch the first one already, people. Broke supermarket and them something over there. You know what I mean? And police deal with them and have him film with. And this is you wanna know, my people. What them say happen to him now, people? Why you see him in other place and why you see camera catch him? No. Because them say first, him broke the place. See? The people them, that's the house you see me now. The people them suspects, you know, say him go in there and broke it. And them talk to him and say, yo, please, whatever you take, please can you return it? We know it's you. You know what I mean? I know him deny it, my people. See? But through the people them know him and them know say look like a something window and he can't tap. So they manage to set a camera in there, my people. And this is how it work. See? Him no know so the camera set there, people, because they like them have a camera where maybe they now want to look at something where him no see it. But the camera there right in front of my people. And he managed to come back for brought the people in place again. And now camera catch him. Over Cayman Island, small local island people, where him a go run go. You know the sea in the water, for broken at the people them house. How much him can gain so when him go in there so? That's, yeah, them have said this is a destruction to Jamaica people and my people. Zine, if you want to go broke somewhere, go broke a bank, man. No, a real thing, me not tell him to go thief in a people. I'm not, and me not support no thief. You understand? But me I say, you want to go broke something, go broke a bank. Go broke somewhere where money there. Zine, as me say, me not support thief, but I'm saying, my people, how much can you get out of the people I'm look a bedroom there? This you can say this is not even a fancy room. This is like one look apartment, one look work, I living up on a work program. To where it look to me. This look like a big family place. How much him can get out there? So you understand? I'll hold for you to the want the chance to go over them. So, something like you now. Them need to take away for your thing, fling a back a yard, and give somebody the chance so you get and bring them up there who really want a use. You understand? Who really want to make a use of them life. See? You are go broke somewhere. Go broke somewhere where money there. Imagine you go to jail now for 1 year, 5 months, whatever. How much you can, how much you worth it? Yo, me tell you someone is a shame, man. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. My people, big up on yourself, man. Because them things I just get my spirit upset and cross, man. Jaja sees, Jaja knows, man. Me not like petty thief, and I'm telling the people, I don't like no thief at all, but I say petty thief. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. Attack them, NEWLINK attack them. Petty thief. Then sit me too much. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. Peace out, my people. Big up. Enough love.